Have you ever considered a career in cybersecurity? In this fast-growing industry, demand for skilled professionals is skyrocketing. Companies across the globe are on the lookout for individuals who can protect their digital assets from increasingly sophisticated cyber threats. Let's explore the top 5 in-demand cybersecurity jobs that you might want to consider. First, cybersecurity analysts are the front line in the war against cybercrime. They monitor and detect security incidents, investigate breaches, and help formulate responses. Next, network security professionals specialize in securing an organization's computer network. They identify vulnerabilities, implement security measures, and respond to network attacks. Third, ethical hackers, also known as penetration testers, use their skills to find and fix security vulnerabilities before malicious hackers can exploit them. Fourth, information security specialists focus on protecting an organization's data. They develop security policies, handle data breaches, and educate staff about security best practices. Finally, cybersecurity consultants offer expert advice to organizations on how to protect their IT infrastructure. They assess security risks, recommend solutions, and often oversee the implementation of security measures. To thrive in these roles, you need a specific set of skills and certifications. Key skills include a solid understanding of IT systems, problem-solving abilities, and a keen eye for detail. In terms of certifications, the Certified Information Systems Security Professional and Certified Ethical Hacker are two of the most recognized in the industry. Now, how do you land your dream job in cybersecurity? Start by building a strong resume that highlights your skills and certifications. When it comes to the job interview, be prepared to demonstrate your technical knowledge and your ability to think on your feet. Remember, cybersecurity is a field where practical skills often outweigh theoretical knowledge. So, what does the future hold for cybersecurity jobs? Expect to see a surge in remote cybersecurity roles and an increased reliance on artificial intelligence in cybersecurity careers. Moreover, as cyber threats evolve, new roles will emerge that require even more specialized skills. It's time to take action. Start your journey to a rewarding career in cybersecurity today. Whether you're just starting out or looking to switch careers, there's a place for you in this exciting and rapidly evolving field. Take the first step. Invest in your skills, earn those certifications, and prepare to make a real difference in the world of cybersecurity.